In today's tutorial, I would like to teach you how you can withdraw your money in Nigeria. If you are an affiliate marketer and you want to create your account with Clickbank, I want to teach you how you can withdraw your money in Nigeria. As you can see, this is my account. So what you would do is, when you have logged into your dashboard, what you do is you click on your username, that is your nickname. You click on it, and it will take you to this page. Then you are going to click on account setting. That is where you are going to add all the details. I'm not going to open it up now because it contains some sensitive uh, data that are related to me alone, so I'm not going to click on it. But if you have opened your own, this is where you are going to click on it. Once you click on this account setting, that is where you are going to set it. And if you are here for the first time today, I would like to welcome you to my channel. I teach how to make money online, and I also give a review on products that are beneficial to you, that can make life better. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Let me know your comment in the comment section. Share the video with your friends and family. Okay, now let's get started for the business of the day. Now, before you can set your account in Clickbank account setting, first of all, you have to create your Payoneer's account. So if you want to create your Payoneer's account, you go to Google. You can use Chrome, you can use Mozilla Firefox. So you go to your browser and type payoneer.com. You can see it here. Press enter. All right, now you cannot click on register. Then when you have registered, you are putting all your details. But I'd like to tell you that it will require your national ID card, your government approved ID card, and it will also sometimes it may require your CAC document. That is, if you have a registered business name, it may require that. But if it is only national ID card you have, you can submit that. And when you have registered, you have put in all your details and you register your name, then we'll go to the next, and your registration is being approved. You wait for a while. You wait like maybe like an hour or so, and once your registration is being approved, then you can now sign in and go to the next stage. Okay, let's go to the next stage. So I'm going to sign into my own account now, and I'll tell you the next thing you can do. All right, once you are in your dashboard like this, so what you are going to do is you click on pay. No, okay, you click on receive a payment. Then you are going to click on global payment service. Okay, now this is USD receiving account. This is where you are going to set your account. You will see your account details. So you click on this, then this is where you are going to see your account details. This is the bank address. This is the name of the bank, First Century Bank, and this is the routine ABA. Then this is your account number. This one you are seeing now is my own, and this is my name here. So if you open your own account, it will be peculiar to you. So what you are going to do is you are going to copy this account number to your Clickbank affiliate account setting. Then you also copy the name of the bank there. So you will add your account number there. You also add the name of the bank, and when the address is required, you put the address there. So that is how you do it. If you want to receive more details on how you can do this, then you need to register for my course on where I teach how you can register your affiliate account with Clickbank. If you register for that course, I am going to open up everything to you on how you do it step by step. But this video is just to enlighten you that everything is possible, and you have a guarantee that it can be done for you. You can see this is my own Payoneer's account. You can also see, you have already seen my own Clickbank account. I created it here in Nigeria, so you can also do your own if you register for my course, and it is not expensive. So I drop the link in the description. Click on the link and register so that you can get your own account running. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.